Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to prepare this bed so I can plant the turnips and the parsnips. Now this is one of the beds that did not get prepared last fall. I did get some straw thrown on it, which helped a little bit, but you can tell this ground is pretty tough where I didn't get it compared to the ones before. And compared to this spot where I had to put the straw, it's a little better. But I need to raise it up. It's really too low. So I got some potting mix, and we're going to add that to this and go from there. And then after we get it done, we'll cover it back up with the oat straw. The reason I use the oat straw is because it's already got all the weed seeds. They've already germinated. So there's no weed seeds in there. So it's not going to germinate. So I can use that, and I can use my shredded leaves that I shredded last fall as some mulch once I get the seeds in and the plants come up a little bit. So that's what we're doing today. Okay, I'm going to take the rest of the weeds out that I see. This turnips did really good in this bed last year. They kind of like this soil. But, like I said, I need to bring it up higher. The chives are doing beautifully. I really would love to add more compost, but I do not have any more made. Plant is really quite large, so I'm thinking very seriously about taking the start off of it for my herb garden around back. I just checked it. The chives came back, but they're not nearly as pretty as these, and this is like a 5-year-old plant, so it's not going to hurt it to take the start off of it, and this is the time of year to do that. Be good for around back. It also will rejuvenate this plant to grow outward again. I'll take 2 of them. All right. And I'll take those around back, plant them, get some straw over here to cover up what I just took out. We're good to go. There we go. You won't even know the difference. All right. Dump this bag and see how far it goes. Okay, everything's been put in the bed. It's not as high as I would like it, but it's going to have to do for this year because I've got to spend a lot of money to put the soil into the new bed, raised beds inside the greenhouse. And this is at least 3 inches deep, so it's going to be good enough for right now. And it'll be good for the turnips and the parsnips, especially when they get the straw on top of it. So this bed is ready. I just got to soak the parsnip seeds overnight for 24 hours actually, so they can be ready to add to this bed tomorrow. Gonna make mainly turnips and then a little area over there parsnips in the back and leave the chives in the center. So that's this bed. There's been a lot of changes from my original garden plan that I made last fall because I wasn't expecting, I was dreaming of the greenhouse, but I wasn't expecting to get it. And things worked out so I could. So I have literally doubled the size of my garden. And so I have to replan things because some of the things I had originally for these gardens, I'm going to put in the greenhouse. Like all my salads are going to go in there. That will keep the cats away from them. I hate it when I'm harvesting lettuce and the cats are rubbing up against it. It just anything above ground that we eat directly raw is going to go into the greenhouse. So I'm going to put the turnips in the ground roots, turnips and the parsnips in here. I am going to put the carrots in there because they do better in the greenhouse, the way they did last year for me. Going to keep the cucumbers in this greenhouse, but the tomatoes and the peppers are going to go into the big one. And I'm going to move my bean tars, and I'm going to make a couple things of peas this year, different type of peas I'm going to try. So I have the room to expand to do that, so that is the plan as of now. But like I said, this one's done. The pea bed for the 2 peas are done and ready. So it's just a matter of soaking them and getting out here and getting them planted. So hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. Remember, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost anything. Hit the bell icon. That'll tell you when I'm going to be on next. And remember to dream big. Dreams do come true if you follow them and work at it. So have a good gardening season, and see you later. Bye.